And the last thing, over here in the settings, you have some cool things that you can also, I advise you to take a look at them. So you have some options for refund calculations to check these out. For one important thing, by the way, I'm going to skip all of them, but just to point out one thing, that so if you're selling on Shopify, it's really important to analyze not only all of the metrics on an account level, but also analyze the channels separately, because it's like you want to know what's your situation in every channel, because your strategies might differ and your situation might be different. So what you can do here is actually exclude some of the sales channels from the equation and not have them, that data in general, in your Sellerboard for Shopify account. So maybe you want to dedicate this platform only to analyzing a specific channel, right? So you can always do it here. You also have some other exclusion options. And one last thing, just to make this brief, the users tab. So if you're working in a team, you can always invite other members of your team using this tab. So you click on add user, you specify an email where the invitation will be sent out. You say whether it's an read-only account or the user will have editing rights. Then you will choose which parts of the software this new user will have access to, right? And the last thing is that you can actually restrict access to a specific set of products. Maybe you have someone taking care only of certain products from all of your assortment. Then this is the place to choose these products. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this wasn't too overwhelming.